Good day. We are at the composting center in Bichapi, where an independent test of the compostability of Slovak material, NonOilen, under operational conditions of industrial compost was conducted, and the executive director of the Ponitrianske Association of Municipalities for Separate Collection and Waste Management, Mr. Bakita, will tell us more about the results.
Composting is among the most ecological forms of handling biowaste. This system is simply close to nature. It is environmentally the most suitable, and the result is high-quality organic fertilizer. Compost at the composting facility where we are now, which belongs to the Ponitrianske Association of Municipalities. We compost in classic open piles. The composting process takes about 6 to 8 weeks, during which we properly mix the nitrogen and carbon parts of the raw material. We maintain it at a temperature of about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 weeks, and through natural turning and watering, we try to keep this biomass in the correct optimal form. One of the biggest problems for all composting facilities worldwide, including the most advanced ones in Europe, is contamination of the basic components, meaning the bio-waste is often mixed with something else that is simply not biodegradable. In Europe, we most often talk about plastics in this context, and we are also dealing with this factor. For this reason, it was a great challenge for us to try a product that claimed to be 100% biodegradable, or that it is a biologically degradable material. I must admit that in my professional career, I have not encountered such a product, and I am truly glad that this product comes from Slovakia. So, word by word, we were very eager to try for ourselves what it actually means to compost such a product. I must say that after just 2 weeks, when we heated the base to about 50 degrees Celsius, the material began to degrade very naturally. After 4 weeks, we found only very small parts of these plastics. And after 6 to 7 weeks, it had completely turned into compost. And that is something amazing. It was exceptional. Also because we tested a wider range of materials, meaning we had materials based on some plastic bags, thick-walled trays, thick-walled cups, so it wasn't just one narrow segment, but a wide array of these materials. We observed the process on 2 separate bases, and we were able to evaluate it very nicely on a weekly basis, whether the biopolymer was thick, thin, or flexible. The degradation actually occurred in the same way, and it can be said that it was completed 100% in those 8 weeks. If I were to compare this with some commercial plastic, this is truly revolutionary. I wish NonOilen the best of luck so that we have more biopolymers and sustainability becomes a reality.